Hello everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do a quick and easy get ready with me. The other day we did more of a festive holiday glam look, and today I thought I would do a more realistic everyday look since we are so busy in the holiday season. So this look is quick and easy, one and done kind of makeup. We could probably even time it. I don't know if it would be 5 minutes because I like to chat, but think of easy 5-minute makeup, one and done eyes, that kind of makeup, a bit more casual. And I'll be sharing some of my favorite products to achieve this quick and easy everyday look. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this look, then let's go ahead and get started. Okay, before we get started with the get ready with me, I wanted to briefly give a shout out to Vuori Clothing. They are one of my favorite brands for the ultimate casual lounge wear, joggers, athletic wear. I have some new cute goodies from them that I wanted to show you. And this is the brand that I generally wear when I teach my exercise class. I just wanted to share some of my favorites, and I'm a big fan of their hoodies. And this is actually the Laguna Zip hoodie, and it is just super soft, really adorable on. So first I want to show you the Halo Crew, and I wish that you were here so you could pet me. The fabric of this Halo Crew is so soft and comfy that you never want to take these off. And then I will top it with my favorite little hoodies. So I have a few of these in different colors, and I just really love them. They're just easy, they're comfortable, again, they're super soft, and they fit true to size. And then of course I've got my favorite Laguna jogger on. Super soft, super comfortable. I cannot recommend their joggers enough, especially their performance joggers. And then I love this Sherpa jacket. Basically, I am the queen of fuzzy, soft jackets. My husband makes fun of me. I don't think anybody can have too many of them, but this is just so comfortable. It's going to keep you warm. And it's just one of those cozy jackets that's great for running errands, for exercising in, because it's thin and it's warm. It has these really awesome pockets, and I just love it so much. So much so that my daughter wants to steal this from me. So I went ahead and ordered one of these for Zoe as well. So another good holiday gift that I think anybody would like to receive. And if it's too late to get to you in time, I always love giving just little gift cards. So since I'm teaching class today and this is what I am wearing, wanted to give a little shout out to Vuori Clothing and thought it went along with my everyday quick and easy makeup look. Good morning, everyone. I hope your day is off to a good start. So the other day we did more of a holiday festive glam look, and today we're going to do a more everyday look. I'm going to go and teach my exercise class, but I want to look a little put together. So I thought what we would do today is just this really easy everyday makeup. I'm not going to time it, but I bet it would be 5-minute makeup if we actually did. So first of all, in these kind of days, I like to use quick and easy complexion products. I like to start with a little bit of a Radiance base. I use the CHANTECAILLE Radiance Elixir. This is just gonna wake up my skin, make me look like I've had 8 hours of sleep. And then I'm gonna pull out my favorite. This is the Future Skin Cushion, and I can like literally put this on in 30 seconds. So what I like to do first is I will take a few drops of this Radiance Elixir, and I'm just going to gently press that into the skin, and it just is so hydrating. It feels fantastic. Okay, so I put a little bit of that Radiance Elixir on, and now I want to smooth out the skin, get rid of any redness, and I'm just going to use my CHANTECAILLE. This is my Sculpt brush. I like to use that and buff it on the skin, and I'm actually using the Future Skin Cushion in Alabaster, and I have both vanilla and alabaster, and when it's in the summer months, I tend to use vanilla, and then in the more winter, cooler months, I will use alabaster. Then bam, I have put on my foundation, and I love this foundation because it is quick and easy, but it also just wears beautifully throughout the day. So it will settle into the skin and just kind of blur any imperfections, but it keeps my face very hydrated and it just kind of smooths everything out. Next, I'm going to use my CHANTECAILLE. This is the Camouflage STYLO, and again, I love this one because it's got a little bit of a caffeine complex in it, and it will give me just a little temporary eye lift. So I will just come in so I will just dab a little bit underneath my eyes, and I'll take my ring finger first, and I'm going to blend this underneath the eyes. Next, I want to start warming up the skin, and I am going to be using my WESTMAN ATELIER. This is her Face Trace Contour Stick in Biscuit, and this is one of my favorite products ever. And I'm going to go from the top of my ear, and I'm just going to come down and create a little bit of warmth and kind of contour the face as well. I will shorten my forehead just a bit, and then I will run this underneath to create a little bit stronger of a jawline. And I just love this because I can use it also as a bronzer too. It just warms up your skin. And then I will simply take the same brush that I used for my foundation and blend that in. You guys, did you see? It just gives me a really natural look. I actually will take just a little bit and use this in the crease of my eye as well. Just a little bit of depth on the eye as well. And I'm going to take my WESTMAN ATELIER, and this is her Super Lit Highlighter, and this one is in Nectar, and I just love this one. I'm trying to just make a quick and easy, healthy look, and I'm just going to put that on the tops of my cheekbones. I actually love Nectar on the lips as well. Okay, so we've got a little bit of a healthy glow on. I'm going to put blush on in a minute, but for an easy eye, I'm going to go with a one and done eye today. And I'm going to be using one of my favorites from CHANTECAILLE, and this is the Mermaid Eye, and this one is in copper. And it's just gorgeous. It's going to give you that one and done look. And I'm just going to dip my number Wayne Goss brush in number 16 here, and I'm going to just put a little bit of this on my mobile lid right here. It's such a pretty color. And that is just such an easy color. So then now I want to define my lash line, and I want a little pop of color today. I'm going to use my Chanel Le Stylo U in Marine, which is basically a navy color. I love copper and navy together. I also find that the blue will just give my eyes a little bit of brightness. So I am going to tight line near the lash line. Okay, quick and easy eye look, just that copper along with a little navy pop. And now I'm going to go ahead and put some mascara on. And yep, I'm using my favorite. This is the Chantecaille Faux Cils Longest Lash Mascara. I will clean up my brows and then I'll be right back and we will finish off the quick and easy makeup. Okay, I've got my eyeballs on. Always feels so much better once I have mascara on to ground everything. And then I'm going to pop on a little blush, and I'm just obsessed with the Victoria Beckham Cheeky Posh blushes, and literally I just pulled one. So we're going to be using mini skirt today. This is going to give me a little bit of a flush here, and okay, gives me a little bit of a flush, and then I'm going to use my Glow Maker. That's the Sisley bronzer along with the La Mer brush, and I am just going to use this sort of as my finishing step here, and it will give me just an all-over glow as well. I'm also going to just take a little bit of this bronzer and put it in my crease. Just something that I like to do, and it always kind of ties together the entire look. After I do that, I'll just quickly do a little mist of some sort, and today I'm going to be using the Tom Ford, the Hyaluronic Energizing Mist. Still been playing around with this, and so far I really do like it. So and then for lips, I'm going to use one of my favorite Victoria Beckham combos. This is her lip definer in number 2, along with her Spice lipstick. So nice warm nude. I will first just line my lips and even a little bit in the interior of the lips as well. And then since we are talking about last minute gifts, and we always finish with fragrance of the day, and today I'm actually foregoing fragrance, but I did put on the Chanel Fresh Body Cream that smells so good. Like, I wish they would bottle this into a perfume. And this is what I will often wear if I am going to the gym and I personally want to smell a little bit good, but I'm not going to be spraying on perfume just in case that's going to be offensive to anybody. So I will usually put on some sort of body cream. The La Mer body cream actually smells really good as well, but this one has just a very light, fresh floral scent to it. It's so pretty. It's very light and fresh, and it's very hydrating. So I will be able to smell good, but not overwhelming. And I just love to give this as gifts because it smells good, it hydrates, it looks fantastic on your vanity. So just wanted to give a little shout out because that's what I'm wearing today. So today, this is my quick and easy everyday look. And again, I just really love my Vuori Clothing. These are the ultimate in loungewear. They have the best joggers. The material is just super soft and comfy. These are the ultimate in loungewear. And again, who doesn't like a nice little Sherpa jacket? This is so comfortable, you guys. Ultimate little soft fleece. This is my grab and go for quick walks, for going to the gym. So I just wanted to give a little shout out to Vuori Clothing since it's one of my favorite lounge slash athletic wear. Super comfortable, great quality, and I think makes a great gift as well. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I will be back with another video soon.